What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching, please like, comment, share, subscribe, watch all the content, click the bell icon, check out the links below. There's a Discord link, join it if you want to talk sneakers and stuff, kind of have a bit of behind the scenes and all that good stuff. But yeah, let's just get into this one real quick. So we do have the boring old Nike sportswear box in that red and white. It is kind of, I just made it worse, kind of in a state. It has seen better days. Just look at that. Not really happy about that because I like my boxes to be fresh and, you know, able to, you know, go together properly. As you know, if I stack this, it will just do that, and that's not good. But yeah, so the company I purchased these from, they actually put their own label on top. Not sure why. I do think it makes it a bit easier. It's just got the name, what the color is, and the size. And the name of these is the Nike Court Vision Low, UK 943, Europe, so 430 is the Europe size. B and R leather means black and red leather, and then it's got a date. I'm not sure what that is. Could be the actual date that they were made. Let's just get into it quickly. So we've got the Nike Court Vision Low in a black and red colorway, also known as Bred. It's literally a Bred colorway, I have to say. Controversial opinion time. I prefer these to the Jordan 1 lows way more. I just think they're way better, more sturdy, they feel better. I don't like any Jordan 1 low, to be honest. I do have one pair and that's it. I've stopped there. No more Jordan 1 lows, done with them. But let's just quickly go through the colors. The sole, it's got a lot of speckles on it actually. Yeah, the sole, black with white speckles all over. Normal Nike, normal Court Vision Low sole. Nothing crazy exciting there. Midsole again, nothing crazy, nothing wow, nothing wild. Just a plain white midsole, standard. Then what, you know, with these Court Visions, usually it's like 2 colors, 3 colors. In this, it's literally got all black tumbled leather. We've seen that tumbled leather before on the Court Vision Lows. I don't think I've seen any other material, to be honest, on any Court Vision Low. So it's got that, you know, tumbled type leather, black leather across the back, mid, around the toe box, and all the way around the other side. And the back has that same tumbled leather, but it's just more so got a more embossed type stamped Nike, and then that's definitely painted in. Yeah. Then the swoosh, that red, lovely shade of red, I love it. Same tumbled leather as the shoe. And then the toe box is the same leather as the swoosh, that same tumbled leather. So the whole shoe is literally the whole outside of the upper is tumbled leather. Then we've got some standard Nike laces, literally standard, and I've just seen that there's actually a piece of thread hanging out of that one. Court Vision on the tongue. This tongue gives me major Jordan 1 vibes, like the old school Jordan 1s. So I really do like that. And honestly, I like these way more than Jordan 1 lows, I have to say. Some people might call these, you know, bootlegs or bootleg Air Force Ones. No, they're real Nikes. It's okay to have your opinion, but, you know, sometimes look outside the box. Definitely really do like these. They are comfortable as well. They do have, you know, a solid sole. They're not flimsy like the Jordan 1 lows. The Jordan 1 lows, I could probably just bend them in half. So they are really sturdy, and especially for the price, a very good shoe, I have to say. But yeah, let me know what you think of these, people. Let me know if you like them, if you hate them, if you rate them. Tell me if you wear them, if you already have them. I have seen a few comments of people saying, other people have seen them and they think they're fake Air Force Ones. Let them think that, just don't let it get to you, to be honest. I would never, so you should never. But yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Click the bell icon, join the Discord, and wait for all the releases, all the uploads. And yeah, most importantly, take care, my people.